Hello and welcome. In this video I'm sharing how to make the basic sleeve pattern. Start by taking your basic bodice patterns and measuring the front and back armhole, measuring straight from one point to another, like so. For me is 18.3 cm for the front and 20.1 cm for the back. Draw a rectangle that's the front armhole measurement minus 1 cm by the length of the sleeve. From this point, mark 2/3 of the back armhole measurement downwards, in this case 13.4 cm, and trace a line. This is going to be the sleeve gap. From this point, mark 1 cm inwards. Match these 2 points. Divide this line in 4. From this point, mark 1 cm upwards. From this one, 1 cm downwards, and from this point, 0.75 cm. Match these points like so, making a shape like an S. Pass through the 1 cm mark, then through the middle, and then again through the 1 cm mark. This is for the front. For the back, trace a line passing through the 1 cm mark, and then pass through the 0.75 cm, and then again through the 1 cm mark. From this point, mark 15 cm inwards. Match these 2 points. Fold the sheet of paper in half and cut along these lines. Cut along the blue line, that's the back, and not the pink one. Open the pattern. Now cut the little piece along the pink line. You're going to end up with the front part on the right and the back part on the left. The different sleeve lengths are the following. From this point, mark 20 cm downwards. And from this point, mark 2 cm inwards on both sides. This would be a short sleeve. From the same point at the top of the cap, mark 30 cm downwards to make a sleeve at elbow level and mark 3 cm inwards on each side. Mark 45 cm downwards to make a 3/4 sleeve and 3 cm inwards to either side as well. Here is the basic sleeve finished. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.